Unlocking the sounds of language, exploring phonetics and phonology. Hello language learners. Welcome to our new English learning video. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of phonetics and phonology. We'll explore these fields of linguistics and see how they help us understand the sounds of language. So, let's get started. Phonetics is a branch of linguistics that studies the sounds of human speech. Phonetics is all about how we physically produce sounds. It's about how our lips, tongue, and breath work together to create different sounds. There are three main types of phonetics. Articulatory phonetics. This studies how the human vocal tract produces sounds. Acoustic phonetics. This is all about the physical properties of sounds, how they travel through the air. Auditory phonetics. This one looks at how we perceive and understand these sounds. Remember, phonetics is all about production, transmission, and perception of speech sounds. While phonetics is about the physical properties of sounds, phonology is about how sounds function in particular languages or languages in general. In other words, phonology is the study of the abstract, mental aspects of sounds. It considers the way sounds function in particular languages and how they interact with each other. For example, phonology can explain why certain sound patterns occur in a language, or why some sounds seem to change in certain contexts. Let's compare phonetics and phonology to understand them better. Phonetics is about the physical sounds of language. It's interested in what sounds are available in languages, not just English, and how they are produced and perceived. Phonology, on the other hand, looks at how sounds function within a particular language or languages. It's about the system of sounds. So, while phonetics might study how a person can make a T sound with their vocal apparatus, phonology is interested in how the T sound changes when it comes at the beginning of a word, in the middle, or at the end. That brings us to the end of our exciting exploration of phonetics and phonology. These two fields of linguistics offer valuable insights into the world of sounds and languages. Remember, phonetics is about the physical aspect of sounds, while phonology is about their function within a language. Thanks for watching, keep exploring, and keep learning.